I hate you.
Let's learn Never Date a Virgo. It's choreographed by Kerry, Juan Gonzalez, and Jonno Liberman. It is a 48 count, 4-wall intermediate level line dance with a restart on wall 2 after 32 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restart and the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Never Date a Virgo. Section 1, you're basically going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a reverse rocking chair, so you're going to rock back with your right foot, recover onto your left, rock forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left. We're now going to step back with our right foot. You're going to hit your left knee up and around, and then we're going to weave, cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side, cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your reverse rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to do a hip roll. So you're going to step your right foot to the right side. As you step to the right, you're going to roll your hips counterclockwise from left to right and touch your left toe slightly forward and to the side. We're now going to step down on our left foot. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 3 o'clock. And then we're going to do a crossing shuffle, left over right, cross left over right, right side, left over right. We're now going to sway, or you can kind of do hip pushes. So we're going to sway to the right as we step to the right, sway to the left, putting your weight on your left foot. What I like to do is kind of push, push, and do a little bit more exaggerated motion, more from my hips, less from my body. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on our left, we're stepping to your right and doing your hip roll. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do a big step to the right, dragging your left foot into your right. Rock your left foot back and recover onto your right foot. We're now going to do a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 6 o'clock. Make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 9 o'clock. And then we're going to do 2 little hitches, each make an 1/8 of a turn, so you'll end up facing back at the 12 o'clock wall. When you do this, you can kind of push your hip with it and do a little bit of a booty pop. As you do it on one of the walls, it's going to make more sense because it goes whoop whoop, and you want to do it a little extra. So we're each making an 8 turn, so you're hitching and kind of doing that hip up. So it's hitch 8, coming back to 12 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our sway. You're going to do your big step to the right. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, we're going to rock forward with our left foot, recover back onto your right. We're going to triple back with our left, stepping left back, right together, left back. You're going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 6 o'clock. Make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 12 o'clock. We're now going to step back with our right, and as you step back with your right, you're going to pop your left knee forward. Step back with your left and pop your right knee forward, doing a reverse camel walk. Now, if you would like to not do that full turn back, you can replace it with 2 walks. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right. We just did our turning hitches. You're going to rock with your left. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 5, we're going to step back with our right foot. As we step back with our right, we're going to do a long sway back over that right foot, opening your body to the right. We're now going to sway forward, putting our weight onto our left. Sway back, putting your weight onto your right. And then you're going to do a big step forward with your left, dragging your right toe into your left, squaring back up to the 12 o'clock wall. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our camel walk back. You're going to do your step back with your sway. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 6 in our final section of the dance, we're going to do attitude walks forward. So you're going to step your right foot forward and slightly over your left, and you're going to snap your fingers. You're going to step your left foot forward and slightly over your right and snap your fingers. You're now going to step forward with your right foot, make a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock. Cross your right over your left and step your left foot to the left side. And that is the end of the dance. You'll be ready to do your reverse rocking chair. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your attitude walk forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left, starting with that reverse rocking chair. So it's rock back, recover, rock forward, recover, step back, hitch, behind, side, cross, hip, roll with a touch, side, quarter, crossing shuffle, sway, sway, side, drag, rock back, recover, quarter, quarter, eighth hitch, rock, recover, triple back, half, camel walk back. Now it's your big sway, sway forward, back step, drag. Now it's step, snap, step, quarter pivot, cross side. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your reverse rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now let's talk about the restart. The restart's going to happen on wall 2 after 32 counts. That will be after your camel walk back. So let's dance those 32 counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your reverse rocking chair. So it's rock back, recover, rock forward, recover, step back, hitch. Behind, side, cross, hip, roll with a touch, side, quarter, crossing shuffle, sway, sway, side, drag, rock back, recover, quarter, quarter, eighth hitch, rock, recover, triple back, half, back, pop. Right here, you're going to restart the dance doing your reverse rocking chair. That will become wall 3, and you will dance through until the end of the song after that final restart. Now, the dance ends facing 6 o'clock, so all you're going to do, instead of turning to the front, is look over your right shoulder. You're going to make a stop hand with your right hand towards 12 o'clock and look over that shoulder like you are telling somebody to stop or go away. And you're just gonna, that's how you're going to end, looking over your shoulder. So you don't even have to worry about ending facing the front. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the restart into the next wall. Weight is on your left, starting with your reverse rocking chair. Rock back, recover, rock forward, recover, step back, hitch. Behind, side, cross, hip, roll with a touch. Side, quarter, crossing shuffle, sway, sway, side, drag. Rock back, recover, quarter, quarter, eighth hitch, rock, recover, triple back. Half, back, pop, now lean back and sway. Sway forward, back step, drag. Step, snap, step, quarter pivot, cross, side, 32 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Restart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse rocking chair. Step back, hitch. Behind, side, cross, hip, roll with a touch. Side, quarter, crossing shuffle, sway, sway, side, drag. Rock back, recover, quarter, quarter, eighth hitch, rock, recover, triple back, half, back, pop, rock back in your lean. Now you're sway forward, back step, drag, step, snap, step, quarter pivot, cross, side. And then you will dance through until you do your ending. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Never Date a Virgo. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.